good morning. Okay? Yes, now children. Ready for your breathing exercise, children?
Good morning.
Yes, good morning. Yes, good morning. Yes, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, now breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Breathe out.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. I told you to breathe in. I did not say we want to eat this Goa. Yes, Vivan? Okay, breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe in through your nose. Come on, Vidyut. Breathe in. Breathe in. Now breathe out. Breathe out through your mouth. Yes. Breathe out. Good. Very good. Next, we are going to do the warm-up activity. Are you ready, children? Shall we do? Yeah. Yes, very good, children. Now, all of you, shall we road count and jump for 50 times? Yes, 1 to 50. Are you all ready? Yes, are you all ready? Yes, now start jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49:50. Oh my God, Nam is very tired. Come on, all of you go and drink water. Come back along with your calendar. Okay?
Pranita, you mute yourself, Pranita. Don't unmute yours.
Come on, all of you, drink water and come back. Yes, ready for the calendar activity? Yeah. Who is going to tell me the date today, children? Kavyani, you are going to tell me the date today, okay? Kavyani. Kavyani. Can you hear me, Kavyani? Tell me what is the date today? Today's date is? Okay. 6. Today's date is 6 and the day is Thursday. Okay. Yesterday was 5 and the day was Wednesday. Today is 6 and the day is Thursday. Come on, color the date 6. Yeah, very good, Kavyani. Color.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, finished. Finish coloring. Yeah, very good, Pranita. Good, Kavyani. Very good. Different colors you have to color, children. Then only it will look nice, okay? Very good, Pranita. Good. Good, everyone good. Yeah, nice. Did you color with yours? Did you color with yours? Yeah, Karthikeyan, good. Very good, everyone. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Calendar aside. Put the calendar aside. It's time for our rhymes. Okay? Are you ready for the rhymes, children?
Rhymes.
Come on, keep your books aside. Ready for the rhymes, vegetable rhymes. Who is going to sing along with ma'am? Today Tarnika is going to sing.
Rhymes.
Tarnika,
Dance.
Pranita, what happened, Pranita? Tarnika, are you there, Tarnika? Yes, ma'am. Say yes, ma'am, Tarnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Tarnika. 1 minute. I'm going to ping you. Yes. Come on, sing along with ma'am, Tarnika. Vegetables fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. Yes, Vishang. Good morning, Vishang. Will you sing with ma'am, Vishang? Vishang, will you sing with ma'am?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, come on, sing with ma'am. Thank you, Vishang. Help me out. Vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat or put them in salad. They are
Your healthy food.
healthy to eat. Very good. High five, Vishang. Good boy, Vishang. Very good boy. Okay, then who will? Naitik will sing with ma'am. Naitik. Yeah, Naitik. Come on, Naitik. Good, Naitik. Come on. Sing.
Vegetables.
Fresh and healthy.
Fresh and healthy.
Some from the
Garden.
and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. Very good. Anyone next who wants to sing? Raise your hand.
Yes.
Pranita. Come on, Pranita. Yes, come on, Pranita. Say yes, ma'am, Pranita.
சொல்லுமா
Ah.
சொல்லு இப்ப சொல்லு
Only
சொல்லு
Pranita. Okay. Come on. Start.
கை காட்டு மேம் சொல்லு
Vegetables.
சொல்லு 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 சொல்லு
Come on, Pranita. Sing with ma'am. Vegetables, vegetables and healthy. Buy them, chop them and cook them to eat or put them in salad. Yeah, healthy too. Yes, Dev Krish is waiting for a long time. Come on, Dev Krish. Come on, Dev Krish. Sing loudly, Dev Krish. Yeah. Sing loudly, ma.
Hello. Stop.
Start. Vegetables. Start.
God, Dave.
You want me to sing and you will do the action. Oh my God. What to do? Okay, ma'am will sing for you, okay? Vegetables, vegetables, fresh and healthy. Come from the garden and come from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat. Or put them in salad. Yeah, healthy too. Throw it out.
Eat.
Yes? Healthy too? Eat. Yeah, very good, children. Next is our phonics rhyme time. Shall we start? Children, try to sing, but don't unmute, okay?
Answer my arm, answer my arm, answer my arm, they're causing me alarm. Bring your bat and bring your ball, bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this, My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the egg came out. The water gurgled down the drain. The water gurgled down the drain. The water gurgled down the drain with a gurgle. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. Pinky the mouse is my pet. She's little being a good vet. The ink is red all over the pen. Inky's wet. lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Pass down the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Cute sounds to us.
See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he goes so hard. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, when it starts to rain. Try big slam round the village. Try big slam round the village. Try big slam round the village. Ooh. I see the clouds moving. Wah wah wah. I see the kites flying. Wah wah wah. I see the trees bending. Wah wah wah. The wind is blowing strong. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yep, 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 yep. Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz like this?
Very good, children. Thank you so much. Okay, now, children, shall we do our worksheet? Yesterday, we saw about climbers, creepers, trees, and all. We had one activity, right? Today, the same thing we are going to circle in the worksheet. Okay, what is the action for tree, children? First, do the action for tree. Tree. Yes, we'll finish off this game and go for the attendance activity. Finish off. Tree, climber, creeper. What is this? My God, what is it? Thorny plant. Yes, when you prick something, when a thorn pricks you, oh my God, it's paining, right? It's thorny plant. What is this? What is this? Thorny plant. Okay, ready? Tree, do the action. Tree, all of you do the action. Tree. Tree. Yes, very good, Pranita. Night take Tarnika. Very good. Tree. Next is climber. Climber. Very good, Devkrish. Very good. Next is creeper. Creeper. And this is, what is this? Ishank, what type of plant is this? What is it?
Which will prick?
What is it? Come on, tell me. Very good, Vishank. Wonderful. Very good boy. Okay, thorny plant. Very good, children. Now time for attendance activity. Are you all ready? Yes, children, be alert. Look at your photos and we'll finish it off fast. Okay?
Attendance activity. Solle. My name is Secret Solera.
My name is
Wait. I'll show you a photo. Siddharth. Okay, now.
My name is Raj. I'm studying at junior KG.
Okay, today we are going to go from backwards, okay? We'll go from backwards today, okay? He's going to be last. Yeah. Who's this? Come on, Vidyut. Time up, Vidyut.
He's crying, ma'am.
Why? Why are you crying,
He's
Vidyut?
not sitting.
Did Mama didn't give you anything? Okay, leave him. Don't force him. I'll mark him. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is
My name is Asmi. I am studying in junior KG.
very good. Come on, Tilakar. No. Okay, next. Sai Nitesh. Sai Nitesh. Are you there? Next.
My name is Dhanvin Sai. I am in junior KG.
Very good, Dhanvin. Satvika. No. Next.
My name is Santa. I'm in junior KG.
Very good. Very good. Next. Come on, Pranita, fast. Yes, Pranita. Pranita, unmute and tell me, Pranita. Okay. Okay, Pranita.
Sol.
Good morning, Penny.
Sol.
Good morning, Vanilla ma'am. I am Pranita. I am studying junior KG.
Very good, Pranita.
My name is Kaiti. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Naitek.
My name is Devkrish. I am in junior KG.
Very good, Devkrish. Ready? Ready is not there.
My name is Kitchen. I am at food is food.
Very good, Dikshan.
I am in junior KG.
Go on.
I am in junior KG.
Very good, Vishan.
My name is Tanika. I am studying junior KG.
Very good, Tarnika.
My name is Anna Fatima. I am studying junior KG.
Very good, Farnas.
Ritvik.
Come on, Ritvik.
Ritvik. My name is Ritvik.
My name is Ritvik. I am studying junior KG.
Very good, Ritvik.
Mama, my name is Karthikeya. Studying junior KG. 4 years old.
Very good.
My name is Tanvi. Studying junior KG. I'm a kid.
Kiddy girl. Okay, next. Vivan. Come on, Vivan. Vivan. Next.
Hey. I am Adila ma'am. My name is Kavya and I am studying in junior KG.
Very good. Rakshita.
My name is Nikita. I'm 4 years old.
Very good, Rakshita. Studying in junior KG.
Junior KG.
Very good.
My name is Raj. I'm studying in junior KG.
Very good, Siddharth. Now, children, are you all ready with your shawl, dupatta? Are you all ready? Yes. Now we are going to play in the pond, on the pond game. Okay. So for that, what you have to do is you take your mama shawl, make it into a big circle and put it on the ground. Okay. When I'm telling you in the pond, you have to jump inside that circle. When I tell you on the pond, you have to jump outside the circle. Okay. So when I tell you in the pond, what you have to do? Yeah, you have to jump inside. And when I tell you on the pond, you have to jump outside. Yes, very good. Very good. Danvin, very good, Danvin. Yes, correct, Danvin. Danvin, can you say yes, ma'am? Sorry, Farnas. Can you say yes, ma'am, Farnas? Farnas. Yeah, 1 minute, Farnas. You can pin Farnas and see how she has done. Can you show Farnas, mom?
Okay.
Yeah, like that. Good. Like this. Very good. Diction also good. Now stand out of the circle. Everyone stand out of the circle. Stand out of the circle, everyone. Come on, Vishank. You're going to enjoy this game. Bring your mama shawl, Vishank. Yeah, good. Pranita is ready. Rohita is ready. Danvin is ready.
No,
Very
ma'am.
good. Karthikeyan, you're going to
No.
jump on the bed. Dev Krish. Perfect circle, Dev Krish. Very good. Tarnika, good. All of you, please tilt your camera towards the dupatta, okay? Okay, now, ready? Ready, steady, go. Now, all of you come outside first. Stand outside. All of you first stand outside. Nitik, stand outside the circle, ma. Stand out of it. Out. Everyone should stand outside, okay? Ready? Now, in the pond. In the pond. Everyone inside the pond. In the pond. In the pond means you have to jump inside. Yes, now on the pond. Jump outside. Outside. On the pond. Yeah, good. In the pond. Vishank, you're doing in a reverse way. When I'm saying in the pond, you're going outside, Vishank. In the pond, all of you should be inside the circle. Okay? On the pond, outside. Pranita, better you put it down and you jump, Mark. It's safe. Okay? Again, in the pond, jump inside. Very good, Dev Krish. Correct. The way you are doing is correct. Farna's also right. Tarnika right. Very good. Janavi also correct. Now, on the pond. Out. Out. Okay, I'll say in means you have to jump inside. Out means you have to jump outside, children. Okay? In. In. In means inside. Inside the circle. Inside. Yeah, inside. Now, on. Outside the circle. Outside. Out. Yeah, in. In all of you. All of you jump inside. Now out. Out. Yeah, out. Very good, Kavyani. Good. In. Very good diction. Super diction. Nightek, good. Out. Out. One more time. Out. Farnaz, I told out. Yeah, very good. In. In means you have to come forward and jump inside the circle. In. And now out. Out. Yeah, very good children. Wonderful children. You all did it very well. Ritvik, very nice, Ritvik. Did you all enjoy the activity, children? Yes. Now, come on, take your worksheets. Sit in your places. Take your worksheets. It's D30 CT concept time. I'll present you now, okay?
Vanilla Nancy, I finished.
You finished. Oh my God. I didn't tell you to finish, right? When I'm telling you, you can finish, Tarnika, okay? Yeah, this is the worksheet D30. Okay. First, find the creeper. You know what is a creeper, right? Creepers will have big vegetable and fruit. Here, can you see the creeper, children? What is the action of the creeper? First, do it. First, do the action of the creeper. Yeah, that's the action of the creeper. See there and circle creeper. Yes, creeper. And next is going to be the tree. Tree, tree. You very well know which is a tree, right? Come on, circle. Tree. And finally, here you have to circle a climber. Can you see the climber, children? It will go like this up, right? Climber. You know the action of a climber, right? See, can you see a plant related to that action? Yes, here. If you have doubts in that, look at the screen and do. Okay? Climber. Yes, very good. I'm going to come back. Wait. And next worksheet. Okay. Next worksheet is going to be empty. Max worksheet. Okay, I'll tell you the number. All of you lift your worksheets and show me. I'll check it in one stretch. Yeah. All of you lift your worksheets and show it to mom. Let me take a snap. Yeah, good. Kartikeyan. Yes, good. Good, everyone. Good. Very good, Farnas. Good. Yeah. Okay, children. Very good. Now, our next worksheet is going to be D31 empty.
I'm finished.
Yeah, very good. Very good. I saw you. Good.
Sorry, ma'am.
Which number, ma'am?
D31 empty. You'll have this.
Oh,
This one. 21. 21, 21. That worksheet we are going to do. Children, you can see here, it's a garland, right? It's a flower garland, right? Now here, how will we count, children? We already know group of 10, right? Here we have two group of 10. So how will we count? This is 10, 20, 21. Yes? 10, group of 10, 20, 21. Like that you can count, or else you can count separately also. 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay? Since it's given as group, it will be very easy for you to count. Now start writing 2, 1, 21. First write 2, children. 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. First you have to write number 2, children. Don't write 1 and write 2. It's wrong. 2 first and then number 1. 21. And like this also you should not write 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. It's wrong. Okay? You should not write like that. You should write 2, 1, 21. 1. Spell and write, children. 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. Finish. Yes, Kartikeyan, sorry. Pranita, Naitek, Hashni, Dikshan. Yes, good.
Write the date. Write the date.
Write the date, write your name. Today's date is 6/8/2020. 6/8/2020 and your name. Children, daily you yourself have to write the date and your name, children. Okay? Whenever we are starting our worksheet, first write the date, then your name, then start writing. Okay? Did you write? Yeah, very good, Farnaz. Neat. Very good. Good, Farnaz. Yeah, tell me, Ma.
Vanilla Mansi.
Yes, Danvin. Good, Danvin. Very nice. Good. Very good. Danvin, good. Tarnika, good. Janavi. Vishank, you are writing now. Tarnika, good. Write fast, write fast. 2/1/21. I can't see anyone spelling it out and writing. Everybody are quiet and you are writing. 2/1/21. Like that. Nobody is saying like that and writing.
I finished, ma'am.
Who is that? Siddharth. What number you have written, Siddharth? What is that number, Siddharth?
Number, sir. Tell it to ma'am.
What is that number?
Finish, ma'am.
Nobody can tell.
Vanilla Mansi. Vanilla Mansi.
Yes, Pranita, wait, Pranita. 2/1/21. Okay? Yes, Pranita. What is that number, Pranita? 2/1/21. Okay?
2/1/21.
Very good. Dikshan. Very good, Dikshan. Rohita, good. Dikshan, very good. Dikshan, I can't hear you, Dikshan.
Rohita, please mute yourself. Rohita, please mute yourself.
Dikshan, very good, Dikshan. Why are you Dikshan? Yes, unmute and tell me what number is that, Dikshan?
2/1/21.
Very good, Dikshan. Good. Karthikeyan finished? Yes, what number is that? What number is that, Ma? Correct. This is the way you say 1 2 21. 1 2 is 12. Okay. 2 1 21. This is why I tell everyone to spell and write. Okay. 2 1 is 21. Okay, children. Yes. Nukshita finished.
2/1/21.
Very good. Nukshita. Finish, Nukshita. Yeah, good. Good, Nukshita. What number is that? Yes, Nukshita.
Speak class.
What is the number? Yes?
21. 2/1/21. Say.
2/1/21.
Okay, very good. Janavi. Janavi.
2/1/21.
Where is your worksheet? You didn't write?
Finish, ma'am.
Okay,
Mom,
very
I
good.
did.
Yeah, very good, very good. Good. Nightek. Good Nightek. Very nice Nightek. What number is that, Nightek? What number is that? 21? 21. Okay, very good, Nightek. Next is our language worksheet D31. J letter. We are going to write J letter. Be ready. I am going to show you. Okay?
Finish. Linda.
First color with the blue. In blue. I got in blue.
Yes, children, all of you look at the screen. Is all of you look at the screen, ma? What letter is this?
What letter is that? BT. BT, what letter?
What letter is this? J. Capital J. Okay? And then, what letter is this? Yes, what letter is this? Small j, okay? Small j, okay? This is capital J and this is small letter J, okay? See, what is the difference, children? Can anybody tell me what is the difference between capital J and small j? Can anybody tell me? Who will tell me? Whom shall I ask? I'll ask Tarnika. Come on, tell me, Tarnika. What is the difference between
Coming in.
capital J and small j?
Small day.
What difference you can see?
Coming in.
What is the difference, ma?
That is coming in.
Yeah, very good. In capital J, you can see a sleeping line on top, right? But in small j, you don't have that sleeping line. You will have a small dot. Okay, thank you, Tarnika. Mute yourself. You will have a small dot. Okay? And then J. How you should write your letter J? It's given here. See here? Like this, in this way only you should write. Small j you are going to write. So write it in this way. Capital J, you will start from the red line till the blue line you will write. But small j, you will start from the blue line and downside red line you will touch and write. Okay, children, follow the lines, children. That's very important. Don't randomly write like that. Try to write, follow the line and write. Okay? And J for jet. J for jug. I don't want anyone to write now. Look at the screen. Once I tell you to write, please write. Now no need to write. Everyone look at the screen. J for jet. J for jug. J for juice. J for jacket. Okay. What is the phonic sound for J? Jelly and jam. Jelly and jam. Jelly and jam. What is the action? Yes, jelly and jam, like this you will do the action, right? So that's the action. And then J sounds J. See, like this your mouth will come. If you say the sound J, jumping. Okay, jellyfish, jacket. Okay, like that it will come, children. Okay, now you have to write the letter J. Start writing now. Start writing the letter J. J. Children, you will have 4 letters here. Just write that letter. Don't write the next sheet. It will be your homework. Okay, so only this sheet, if you write, it's enough. Here, downside, you will have 5 letters for tracing. That, if you write, it's enough. Okay, the next sheet, it will be your homework. Yes, those who finish, show me a book. Those who finish.
I'm finished. I finished, ma'am.
Who finished? Yes.
Siddharth.
Children, you all forgot one step. You know what is that?
I don't know.
Let's again start the alphabet to write, children. Yes.
Ma'am.
You will trace it out with your pointer finger, right? That we didn't do. Nobody asked me. You are having this sheet only, right? No, this sheet, please don't do, children. It will be your homework. J sheet. This is your homework. Please don't write. This only you will have, below that you will have 4 lines to write. That in that you write. Those who don't have, leave it. With your pointer finger, you have to write like this and keep a dot. Then only you should proceed writing. Okay, children, finished?
Finished, ma'am.
Yeah, show me. Those who have finished, show me. Those who finish, show me. Bring your slate and chalk piece. Bring your slate and chalk piece. Yeah, those who finish, show me a worksheet and Goma. Yeah, very good. Good, children. Now go to bring your slate and chalk piece or your rough notebook. Yes. Ready? Ma'am is ready. Bring your slate and chalk piece. Yeah, very good. Pranita is ready. Pranita, Padnas. Kavyani, bring your slate, ma. Come on, Kavyani, bring your slate. Siddharth, bring your slate. Hashni, where is your slate? Yes, very good. Dikshan, Pranita, Tarnika, Janavi. Then Siddharth. Where is your slate, Siddharth? Yeah, good. Take it. Parnaz, Hashni. Vivan. Vivan is not there. There's Naitek, Pranita. Vivan is there. Okay, Vivan. Come on, bring your slate, Vivan. Ishank. Ritvik. Bring your slate. Is ready? Shall we do the activity? Shall we start? Yes, I think all are ready except Vishank. Vishank, finish, ma?
Finished, ma'am.
All done, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Sorry. Vishank. Very good boy, Vishank. You are becoming a very, 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 very good boy. Okay? Now take your slate, Vishank. Come on, bring your slate. Bring your slate. Bring your chalk piece. Yeah. Now, children, those who have your slate, I want you to write 2 numbers here. Here, you are going to write number 3 and leave some space. Here, you are going to write number 5 and draw a line above that. Like this. First, write number 3, leave some space or 2 checks like this. Write number 5, draw a sleeping line about that. Vishank, you don't have a school slate, Vishank?
I'll get
Get
it.
it, ma'am.
I'll get it. I will get it, sir.
Okay, children. Finish first. Write the number 3 and 5 and draw a sleeping line above that. Yes. Dev Krish. Very good. Farnas, good. In the checked side, Rohita. Rohita, take your checked side. Yeah, like this. Very good. Dhanvin, good. You yourself should write, children. Pranita, not that side, Pranita. Now you are going to draw. That space will not be enough for you. So you just turn your slate like this. Not like this. Keep it like this. Like that. Correct. Your grandma is right. Erase and write now. Kavyani, good Kavyani. Something I saw Kavyani. What are you doing? Oh, it's not Kavyani. Dikshan. Okay. Dikshan, good. Kavyani, where is your slate, ma? You don't have slate means you take your rough notebook.
Ma'am, I need.
Dash put mela put.
Night take, good night take. Okay, very good night take. Good night take. Now, children, here you can see number 3, right? You are going to draw 3 objects here. Okay, and near 5, you are going to draw 5 objects here. Okay, whatever you want, you can draw. You can draw a circle, star, or chocolate, tree, leaf, whatever you want, you can draw. Okay, now come on, start drawing. Let me see how many of you are able to do it correctly. Farnas, that's not the way you should draw, ma. From down, you should draw. Then only the space, you can alter your space. Okay, see here. Now, ma'am is drawing. See, from down, ma'am is drawing. 1, 2, 3. Ma'am has drawn 3 circles. Correct? Yes, Pranita. You should draw, Pranita. Okay, now 5. Shall we draw for 5? From down, we'll draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But for 5, I have drawn oranges. Yeah, I'm coming, ma. 1 minute. Yeah, I'll come. Oranges. I've drawn 5 oranges. For 5. Yes, finish. Now, which is the greater number, children? Which is the greater number? Point it out. Don't unmute. Point out with your pointer finger. Which number is that? Point it out with your pointer finger. If it is number 3, point out 3. If it is number 5, point out 5. I'm going to see who is able to identify the greater number. Parents, no helping for your child. Please don't help for your child. Let them identify by themselves. They should know which is greater and which is smaller. Please don't help them. Let them find. Even if it is wrong also, it's okay. Let it be. Then only I'll know how far they are clear with the concept. Okay, now children, all of you, show your slate like this. Now ma'am is going to show which is greater number. Okay? Now tell me whether ma'am is right or wrong. This is the greater number. Right? Ma'am is right? Is ma'am correct or wrong? Can anybody tell me ma'am is correct or wrong?
No.
No. Why? Why ma'am is wrong? Can you tell me why?
Why,
Why?
ma'am?
Why ma'am is wrong? Come on, Farnas. Why ma'am is wrong, children? Can anybody tell me why ma'am is wrong? Yes, very good. Here we have only 3 circles, but here we have 5 circles. Okay, that is why 3 is not the greater number, 5 is the greater number. Okay, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here we have only 1, 2, 3. See? So, which is greater? 5. Which is smaller? 3. Okay, children. So, this sum I have done by myself. Next sum you are going to do, children. I am not going to help you. Okay? One sum. Okay? Now, come on, erase. Erase, erase, erase. Erase, clean. Now start. Let me see how many of you are able to identify. You have to circle the greater number, children. Now it's number 6 and 4. Draw a sleeping line and start drawing the object. Start drawing the object. Ma'am is also going to do. Let me see who is going to finish before me. I started, I'm going to finish now fast. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then here 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, ma'am has finished. Wow, ma'am has finished. I finished drawing. And now, children, circle the greater number and lift your slate. Circle the greater number. Circle which is the greater number and lift your slate and show it to ma'am. Circle the greater number.
4 తర్వాత 5 6 వస్తుంది.
Nobody should help your children. Let them do it by themselves. Please don't help them. If it is wrong also, it's okay. Please, parents, don't help them. Let them identify which is greater number. Kavyani, find it by yourself. Which is the greater number?
Greater number.
Yeah, circle the greater number. Yes, I think Farnaz finished. Farnaz,
greater number ఏది పెరుగు
which has more number of objects, children, that is the bigger number. Greater number. Okay? Yes, Farnaz, say yes, ma'am. Farnaz, I will pin you.
ఒరే ఒరే.
Farnaz. Okay, now wait. Yeah, wait. Show me, lift your slate and show me. Yes, Farnaz has done correctly. See which is the greater number, children. Okay, next who has done? It's Karthikeyan, right? Karthikeyan finished? Ritvik, come on, show me Ritvik. Have you finished, Ritvik? Yes, very nice box, Ritvik. Show it to ma'am. Greater number, Ritvik. Which is the greater number? Circle the greater number. 6. Okay, now circle that number. 6 is the greater number, circle. Very good, Ritvik. Well done, Ritvik. Next is Karthikeyan. Which is the greater number? Circle the greater number, Karthikeyan. Did you circle? Yeah, very good. Karthikeyan, good. Kavyani. Kavyani. You have to unmute and tell me, Kavyani. I am not able to hear you. Yeah, which is the greater number, Kavyani? See and tell me. Okay, very good, Kavyani. Dhanvin? Yeah, very good, Dhanvin. Well done, Siddharth. Siddharth, next is Nightek. Come on, Siddharth first. Come first. Yeah. 6. Show me your slate, Siddharth. I can't see your slate. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Tick mark and wrong mark. Very good. Very good. Nightek. Show me. Yeah, good. Very good, Nightek. 6 is here and 4 is there. Have to equally write that, no? 4 is flying. Okay, very good, Nightek. Then who else? Pranita finish. Very good, Pranita. Which is the greater number, Pranita? Very good. 6. Good. Well done. Well done. Next, Jahnavi. Jahnavi. 6 after 8. Jahnavi, you are playing. Your mama is working very hard, Jahnavi. Show your slate by yourself. Very power, your mama. Show me your slate. Come on. What number is that, Jahnavi?
You are telling I should do with her, ma'am. I should
Oh
have
my
one more slate also.
Mama is learning junior KG now. Okay, nice, Jahnavi. Good. Rohita. Rohita.
Yes, ma'am. Manu.
Show me, Rohita. Which is the greater number?
Which one greater number?
Show me. Yourself, show me, Rohita. You yourself show me.
Sure.
Hmm. Yes.
6,
6
Yes.
is.
Good.
4.
Yes.
Which
Which is
one
the
greater?
greater number?
Ego.
అదేంటి చెప్పు నెంబర్ నేమ్ 6
6.
Very good, Rohita. Tarnika. Tarnika. Yes, good, Tarnika. Which is the greater number, Tarnika? Very good. Did I miss out anyone? Vishank, Dikshan. Show me your slate, both of you. Vishank and Dikshan. Then,
What's up, ma'am?
which is the greater number, ma? What is this 1, 1, 1, 1, 1? What is that? Vishank, what are you doing, Vishank? What are you doing? Very naughty you have become nowadays, huh? What are you doing, Vishank? I told you to draw 6 objects, right? Now come on, draw. I'll be waiting for you. I'll finish and come back to you now. Okay? No cheating, Vishank. Next is Dikshan. Which is the greater number, Dikshan? Which is the greater number?
6.
Very good, Dikshan. Did I miss out anyone, children? Vivan is there? Vivan? Vivan, the whole day I didn't call you. Yeah, lot of network problem for Vivan today. Which is the greater number, Vivan? Tell me. Which is the greater number? Tell me. Six. Which is the greater number? Big number. Which is the bigger number?
Tell which number is greater.
Okay, I'll wait the whole day, Vivan.
Say, ma, what is this number?
Which is the greater number, Vivan? Tell me. Circled it, right? Say the circled number. Yes, very good, Vivan. Wonderful, Vivan. Next is Hashni. Yeah, Devkrish. Show me, Devkrish. Yes, Devkrish. Devkrish. 6. Very good, Devkrish. Good boy. Hashni. Yeah, Hashni. Which is the greater number, Hashni? Which is the greater number? 6. Very good, children. Did I miss out anyone, children? I think I have asked everyone. Did I miss out anyone? Yeah, Nukshita. Come on, tell me, Nukshita. Which is the greater number, Nukshita? 6. Very good, Nukshita. Good. Very good, children. Thank you so much. Tomorrow also we are going to do an activity. Yes, who's that? Janice, I asked you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then mute yourself. Okay, thank you, children. Thanks for the cooperation. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
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 Bye.